Hello everyone, we are at Exos event 2025 organized by xtrawrkx in Dharamshala. Here with us we have Hareesha Karunakar, CEO of Sloki Technologies and CFO Ravi Shankar. So my first question is, what inspired you to establish Sloki Technologies and what specific challenges in the EV industry are you aiming to address?
We established company to make the electronic components for automotive industry, especially for electric vehicles. And two of the areas that we are focusing mostly on the display technologies and the ECUs, so which are crucial. And in the displays, we are coming up with the different variants, the low-end, mid-range, and high-end products. Same in the case of ECUs, which can cater to two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler segments for the better safety and highly featured vehicle to be offered to the end customers.
That is, I think, the quintessential aspect of the two-wheelers or three-wheelers. Moving to the second question, Sloki Technologies specializes in automotive embedded systems. What motivated you to focus on the niche, particularly within the EV sector?
We come from that background of R&D, and the set of engineers or the team what we formed is really fascinated about bringing about a change in the industry with high quality products for the EV or in general automotive. A collective experience over 2 decades of mine and also our associates, CTO and other technical members comes up with the solutions to the challenging problems what we usually encounter in the EV market are all being solved. So this is where driving us to innovate new products and solutions for this market.
Great. Moving towards the third question, how has your prior professional experiences shaped your company's direction?
Yeah, I come from the background of automotive again, worked with Bosch and Honeywell for a decade just before starting the Sloki. So, which helps us bring about those solutions which are used in Western countries. The quality and the process what are being adapted there can be followed here and then bring these solutions to Indian market as well. So this is a remarkable advantage from our previous experience to bring about changes in the Indian context.
It's a great move because mostly we are importing all those quality components from the other areas,
European,
like the Korea, Japanese and Chinese market.
Yeah.
Moving towards the next question, how has the current regulatory landscape and government policies in India impacted Sloki?
So if I can give you a reference of the recently released Karnataka EV policy in the state of Karnataka, they have sort of encouraged partnerships with industry and the education institute to set up specialized knowledge, EV sector knowledge, embark that onto the students, the engineering graduates, and set up an ecosystem of maintenance network for the existing vehicles. So that's one nice shift that the government has put through this development initiatives, education development initiatives. The second aspect is on the regulatory side. So whenever these ARI people publishes new norms and regulations, Sloki can make use of that platform and leverage on its technologies. So this certainly the regulatory setup is helping us in some way at least.
Yeah. Adding to his part, the recent policies of bringing about 500,000 charging stations across India. So we are quite strong on CAN as a technology or a protocol in automotive. These initiatives of new policies for the infrastructure development has actually enabled us to work on these CAN interfaces between the vehicle and the charging stations. So we are working with different charging station customers to bring these solutions between the vehicle and these things. Since we have that vast experience catering to the two-wheelers, three-wheeler, passenger cars, and even trucks, and knowledge about these protocols is quite handy for us. So the policies are helping our business needs and growth as well.
So Ravi was talking about that great initiative by the Karnataka government. Is there any other state government that is also stimulating something like this?
There is something close that is available in Skill India Mission. But this has really focused that issue in a particular state. So if you look at Skill India, it's more or less it's on a very the geographical scale is very huge, but this is something given a focused approach. So building up partnerships with engineering colleges or the education system, it's something good, which is very sort of a proactive initiative.
So basically, the Karnataka government is emphasizing more on the concentrated approach for how to educate people about the EV and those components and all the
In terms of employment, in terms of
everything.
everything, you know.
Yeah.
Moving towards the next question, looking ahead, what innovations can we expect from Sloki in the next few years?
Yeah, the existing products, we are also thinking of having some more variants. The ECUs, what we are currently making for two-wheelers, three-wheelers, will be extended to four-wheelers. Variants of our ECU solutions will be used in BCS, the battery cooling systems, or the HVAC system, the commercial vehicle, the cooling and heating activities. And also the display technology per se is predominantly, it's again a domain agnostic, where we can actually leverage these technologies for defense and other applications. Because of our quality mindset, developing the product for automotive would help us to get into the other domains as well.
So moving towards the last question, what advice would you give to the aspiring entrepreneurs, especially those looking to enter the EV and the clean mobility sector?
From the finance perspective, cash flows. Check your cash flows, be conservative, and at the same time, balance your aggression with realistic trends.
Yeah.
I got it. It should be ground realistic, not should be more aggressive in the cash flow projections.
Absolutely. And at the same time, one who is willing to come into this entrepreneurial journey, have a clear purpose and a dream of coming up with one single solutions for the multiple solutions, but the one single problem statement to be solved, so that with that mindset he can actually overcome many hurdles which may come along the way, and he can hit that success, not deviating too many stuffs all along the way and getting diluted and then forgetting the dream, what really made him to start the journey. So that's crucial.
A focused approach.
Thanks for being here at this event. Being part of the Exos.
Pleasure here being in.
It's a sheer pleasure
Thanks.
for me as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.